Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
First, update your iPhone to iOS 16 or later and sign in with Apple ID. Next, enable Face ID or Touch ID and turn on two-factor authentication for security. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is reliable before starting activation steps. Have the physical Apple Card, activation code, or email with the activation link ready. Keep your mailing address and the last 4 digits of your social security number available if verification is requested. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone and locate your Apple Card. Tap the card and choose Activate Card to begin the activation process. Use the iPhone camera to scan the printed activation code if prompted, or choose manual entry to type the code. Confirm your identity with Face ID, Touch ID, or enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your device. Wait for the confirmation screen that indicates your card is active and ready to use for Apple Pay purchases. If activation fails, restart your iPhone and attempt the activation steps again. Confirm that your Apple ID is signed in, two-factor authentication is enabled, and cellular or Wi-Fi connectivity is active. Try removing and re-adding the card in Wallet if scanning or manual entry does not work. If problems persist, contact Apple support or the Goldman Sachs phone number on the back of the card for assistance. After successful activation, verify Apple Pay transactions and enable any desired card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.